So now you might ask, well, now we don't have a click. So this is what I'll do for that. I'm going to close this up a little bit. I'm going to scroll down, and at the bottom of all these track headers, I'm going to 2-finger click, and I'm going to hit Insert MIDI Track. There's also a shortcut for that. I find the 2-finger click is quicker. Now I'm going to relabel this click. Okay, I'm going to make this white. We're strong on our color coordination at a range wave here. I'm going to close it up, and I'm going to pull it up to in between the tempo and the guide. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tab over to session view. Now we're going to make our click track. So what a MIDI click is basically a measure of MIDI notes that are firing a click sound that's looped the length of your song. So to do that, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to drums in the collections part, the folder, and drag drum rack over onto our click track. Now you can see this opened up this thing where we can drop samples basically onto these notes. I've sampled the multi-tracks click because it has both the accent and then the beat 1 accent and then the 3 beats after that of click. So click 1 for me is the accent, so I'm going to click and drag that onto C1, and then click 2 is the rest of the click, and I'm going to drag that onto C#1. Okay, great. So now if I hit play, you can hear click 1 is the accent, click 2 is the less accented part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a clip in our click track section here by double clicking right at this section. Now that's created an empty MIDI clip that I can now pencil in my click track in at this bottom section. So to get to the pencil tool, a quick shortcut is just to hit B.
I forgot you're a pencil guy.
I'm a pencil guy. I'm a Ticonderoga. And cool, now we're going to draw in our click. So now since this song's at 81 beats per minute, I'm going to be drawing in an 1/8 note click. Sometimes when songs are faster, you can get away with a 1/4 note click, but I want this to be, and this song's in 6/8, I want it to be a beat on each, or a click on each beat of the measure. So I'm going to start with my click 1, which is my accented, and then I'm going to go each and every 1/8 note after that with click 2. So now this should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we hit play.
1, 2, intro, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You can hear there that the click is looping and it's accented in 6/8. Now we're going to get this little clip over into arrangement view. We click and we drag. So now we're holding this clip, and at the same time we hold tab. Now this has just brought us over to arrangement view, but you can see I still have the clip in my selected. So now I'm going to drag it to the beginning of the session, drop it in, turn this session view thing off, and now we have this one measure of this click pulled in, and it's looped, so now we can pull it as long as we want, which we go the length of the song. And I typically like to have the click stop right when the end cue hits, so that way when the band kind of slows down and trash cans, there's not click kind of going in their ears. So let's just find the end cue.
Ending.
I'll pull it there, and that's great. So now we have a click, so let's just hear how that sounds.
1, 2, intro, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Boom, beautiful click. That's right in time with the song.